Hello students, exercise 17.2 already completed. Today I am going to start 17.3. To start this we need some more formulas, but before that you need to learn about sector of a circle. A region of the circle which is bounded by two radius and one arc is called sector of the circle. This is your radius and this portion is length of the arc. Together this will make the sector. This is your smaller sector, minor sector. This angle we can call by sector angle or central angle, which we can mark by theta. This symbol is called by theta. Now first formula, perimeter of this sector. Perimeter means boundary. So in its boundary L plus R, that is L plus 2R. So first formula you have to memorize it. Perimeter of the sector L plus 2R. Length of an arc, this is the arc. Its corresponding length will be pi r theta by 180 because sector angle is theta. Whole circle is 360. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r. By the adjustment we used to get this pi r theta by 180 degree. Direct you can memorize this formula. Area of the sector pi r square theta by 360. Area of the sector another formula half into L into R where theta is not available. Now next point regarding segment of a circle. A segment of a circle is the portion which is bounded by one chord and its corresponding arc. Chord and corresponding arc can give us the segment. The smaller segment is called minor segment, remaining is called major segment. To calculate area of the minor segment, your formula area of the sector minus area of the triangle. To calculate area of the major segment, your formula area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Now we'll start question number 1. Pi we can use 22 by 7, 3.14 if necessary. The radius of a circle is 2.8. What is the length of an arc if angle is given 90 degree? So here radius r is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Angle theta you can mark. This symbol is called by theta. To represent the angle we are using this 90 degree. So length of an arc pi r theta by 180 degree. Pi 22 by 7. Radius 2.8. Theta 90 by 180. After cancellation answer is coming 4.4 centimeter. Second question, radius same, angle is 135 degree. So r is equal to 2.8 centimeter, theta 135 degree. So length of an arc, same formula, pi r theta by 180. Put all the values, cancel it, answer is coming 6.6 centimeter. Now question number C, angle is given 240 but radius is same 2.8 centimeter. So theta is equal to 240. Length of the arc, pi r theta by 180. Put all the values. Cancel it, it is coming 35.2 by 3. After division it is 11.73 centimeter. So please learn the formula very well. With the help of formula we can solve 17.3 also. With this I am concluding today. Bye.